Hello, and welcome to our game Goblin Kitchen demo. There are 3 ways to move in our game: locomotion, snap turning, and teleporting. First, let's start the day by going down the ladder out of the attic. The player assumes the role of a 2-foot-tall goblin chef. In VR, starting a game and seeing everything too big could be seen as a glitch. This is why, when we started, the player's in a small home where everything they see seems normal sized, so that when they embark down the ladder, they can see the contrast and design that we created. This portion of the video shows our physics-based climbing system. As a goblin, the player has the ability to climb almost any wall in the tavern by grabbing and flinging themselves with the grab buttons. For this tutorial, we give new players the option to walk down the stairs instead, but we also entice them to fling themselves over the gate, which is demonstrated here. Here we can see our first recipe that we need to complete for a stew. Onions and carrots can be found in the garden, while salt and pepper are on the counters. Now that we've grabbed an ingredient, we can throw it into the pot. Certain foods need to be cut or smashed. For example, these carrots right here. The player needs to put these foods on the chopping block and cut them with a knife to avoid putting too many in the pot. Now let's add some salt and pepper. These shakers can be turned upside down, and the contents can be poured directly into the pot. Don't worry if you accidentally drop one in. Our goblin can withstand very high temperatures, and you would need to go in and grab it. Now let's fill a bowl. Finally, we're going to put the bowl on the order window, indicating a job well done.